All right. So to see the by practical how to share the data amongst the multiple component. So first we are going to see the props. Okay. So props, as I told you, this is useful whenever you want to send or share the data from parent component to child component. Okay. To explain this by the practical, okay, I have created the two component. One is parent component. Okay, currently it's a blank. Okay, then I have created the child component, which is also the blank. Okay, so now what I want, okay, currently this parent component and child component, there is no relationship. These are the independent components. Okay, so to explain this props, okay, let me take the one variable. Let name is equal to, let's say I am creating the variable name which has the value as Vijay. Okay, now, and I will print this name, hi name. Okay, welcome to React child component. All right, so I have created this one variable name which has the value Vijay, and I have used this variable inside our JSX code by using the curly bracket. Okay, so hi Vijay, welcome to the React child component. Okay, now what I want to inject this child component into the parent component. Okay, so for that one, just simply to inject, how we have to inject this, simply we have to add the tag with the name this child component. Okay, so as I told you, React specific, like our tags will be in the capital and HTML tags will be in the lowercase, right? So import this child component, okay, from the file child components, and I have added into the parent component. So now it's become a parent child relationship actually, right? So this parent component having the one child, that is named as a child component. Okay, now let me save it, and let's see on the UI. Okay, so here you can see, hi Vijay, welcome to React child component. Perfect. So whatever we are printing into this child component, it is getting a display on the UI. But what if I want to share this whatever the name from the parent component? I want this name to be shared from the parent component to child component. Currently this child component, it's a part of the child component only. Okay, that's why this variable whatever we have, it's a local variable. Okay, and that's why we are using curly bracket and we are simply printing it. But if I want to send the data from the parent component, this name should be sent from the parent component. Okay, so let me create another variable. Let's say let p name. Okay, variable name as a like a parent name. Okay, and let's say I have given the parent name as a like a abc. Okay, now I have given the value as a abc. Now what I want to use this parent name to be in the child component, right? So let me try directly here whether it is accessible or not. So here only you can find return. Okay, sorry, it is like a semicolon. Okay, now let me try, instead of this name I will try to access this variable parent name. Let's save it and let it be compiled for. Okay, so here you can see we are getting the error parent name is not defined. Okay, in the child component, means whatever the variable we have in the parent component, it is not accessible into the child component directly, right? So what as discuss, like we have the property called as a props, so we can send this value from the parent component to child component by using the props. Okay, so for that simply what you have to do, we have to declare the attribute for this tag. Okay, whatever the child component. So let's say I want to send the data as a variable, we have to declare the one variable name. let's say I will give the name as a data. Okay, whatever the data I am sharing from the parent component, okay, I am assigning the name as a like a data. Okay, then inside that data, whatever the value you want to send it to child component. What I want to send the parent name. Okay, what I am doing simply here, I am sending the data by using the attribute. Okay, you can give the any name data, or you can give simply the p name is equal to parent name, and we have to pass the value. Okay, this is nothing but the like how we have to send the data to the child component. Okay, once you send this data to child component, in child component we have to receive it. Okay, we have to, there should be something to receive it, and like we have to extract that data, right? For that one, how, like whenever the parent sends the data by this, like means by using some tags. Okay, so this will be received to child component by using the props. Okay, so to receive that one, simply that definition of this our like whatever the signature of child component, we have to add there the props. Okay, so whatever the data we are sending here, okay, we will receive in the child component through the props. Okay, now once we have these props, okay, simply you can extract the data from the props. Okay, props dot whatever the value we have given that variable. Now here is the variable have the value as a data, so props dot data. Okay, let me try this. It should display like ABC, right? So here we are getting some exception, parent name is not defined. Okay, we have declared, right? Props dot data child component control C, parent name, like let parent name, we have given the parent name also. Let me refresh it again once. So here you can see we got the name like hi ABC, welcome to React child component. Like this ABC, it's coming from the parent, right, to the child component. Let me change this value, let's say def. Okay, I am changing in the parent component. Okay, now so here you can see hi def, welcome to React component. Okay, so means whatever the data we are sending from the parent, okay, that is we are sending through this like attribute. That attribute will be captured in the child component by using the props. Okay, so whatever the, you can give any name, like I have given the data, I can give as a name also. Okay, make sure whenever you, whatever the name you have specified as a attribute name, that should only be used while accessing the data. So I have to change it to name. Okay, still it should work. Hi def, welcome to React. Okay, so this is how the props works. Okay, so here simply we have seen this, like for the simple variable we are passing the simple variable and its value, right? So hope so guys, you now aware about this, how this props works. Okay, so in next lecture we will see. Now currently we have passed only the simple variable. We will see how to pass the function if we have any particular function in the parent component, and how to pass that parent component function to the child component. So that we will see in the next lecture.
You are new to channel, okay, please do subscribe, like and share the video, and do not forget to click on the notification bell icon, so that whenever the new upload or new tutorial series has started, you will get the notification. So please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.